My dear children, in today's activity we are going to discuss about the formula derivation of cylinder. Okay. Before that we are going to see about circle. Okay. What is this shape? This is the circle in shape. See here children, before that we must know the parts of the circle. Okay. So what is this? This point is said to be center of the circle. This point is said to be center of the circle. Here we have named the center of the circle as O. Okay. The line joining from the center to its boundary. This outer line is said to be boundary of the circle. Okay. The line segment joining the center of the circle and its boundary is said to be radius of the circle. Okay. So what is this shape? Circle, and this is the center of the circle, and this is the radius of the circle. Okay. See one more small circle. See here children. See this long line segment. What is the name of this long line segment? Its name is diameter of the circle. What is meant by diameter of the circle? Diameter is a line segment. It must passes through the center of the circle. Okay, the endpoints of the diameter lies on the boundary of the circle. See here, this is the diameter of the circle. See, its endpoint lies on the boundary of the circle. Do you understand children? The symbol for diameter is D, small letter D. So this is the longest chord of the circle also. So this is the diameter. How do you get the diameter measurement? By taking the 2 times of r. That is, see here, this is 1 r. This is the another radius. This is also radius. This is also radius. Because this is the line segment joining the center to its boundary. So diameter equal to 2r. That is, if you multiply the value of the radius by 2, you get the diameter. D equal to 2r. D equal to 2 times of its radius. Suppose radius is 5 centimeter, means what is the value of D? 2 into 5, 10. D equal to 10 centimeter. Do you understand children? So this is the radius of the circle and this is the diameter of the circle. The relation between the diameter and the radius of the circle is D equal to 2r. Okay. Next we are going to see about circumference formula and area of the circle. Okay. So what is mean by circumference? Perimeter, here we are termed as a circumference. Okay. See here, the length of the boundary is said to be circumference of the circle. Suppose if you start here, if you run around this circle and come to this same point, means the total length you have ran is said to be circumference of this circle. So what is the formula for circumference of circle? Already you know. Now we are going to recall it. Circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r units. What is the formula for circumference of circle? 2 pi r units. You must write units alone. For area only you have to write square units. For volume, cubic units. For circumference and perimeter you have to write only units. Okay. Next we are going to see area of circle. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square, square units. What is the area of circle? Pi r square, square units. What is meant by area of circle? The space occupied by this circle. See here, this is the space occupied by this circle. If you draw a outline of this circle, you get one circle. The space occupied by this circle is said to be area of the circle. What is its formula? Pi r square, square units. While you are calculating, we must substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7. We may use its decimal value 3.14 also. Okay. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square, square units. What is the circumference of circle? 2 pi r units. What is the relation between diameter and radius of circle? D equal to 2r. Okay. The diameter, how do you get the length of the diameter? By multiplying the radius by 2. Similarly, if you divide the diameter by 2, you get the radius also. Do you understand, children? Now children, we are going to discuss about the cylinder. Before that, we are going to recall the formula for area of rectangle. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth square units. The symbol for length is L and the symbol for breadth is B. So L into B square units is the area of rectangle. Shortly, you may also write LB square units. Okay. Already, now we are going to discuss about cylinder. Before that, already we have seen about the cube and cuboid. In case of cube and cuboid, we have discussed about the TSA and LSA. What is meant by LSA? The area of remaining the top and bottom, the area of the remaining faces are said to be LSA. That is lateral surface area. And what is meant by TSA? Total surface area. Along with that LSA, you have to add area of the top and bottom. You get the total surface area. Here, in case of cylinder, instead of the term lateral surface area, we are going to use curved surface area. See here, this box, this is in the shape of cylinder. This is the shape of the cylinder. Okay, the top and the bottom of the cylinder are in the shape of circle. Okay, so the top and bottom of the shape of the cylinders are circle in shape. Okay, now we are going to derive the formula for this cylinder. Okay, before that, we are going to make the cylinder by using the rectangle. See here, children, this is a rectangle sheet. This side is said to be length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. By folding this paper and joining this side, you get one cylinder. For example, see here, now I am going to join this paper. See here, now we have got a cylinder. Okay, so what is the top and the bottom of the cylinder? The top and the bottom of the cylinder are nothing but circle. Thus we got a cylinder. So what is the top? Top is also a circle, bottom is also a circle. So what is the body of the circle, body of the cylinder? It's nothing but a rectangle. So by joining a rectangle, you can easily get a cylinder. Do you understand, children, how we get the cylinder from the rectangle? Okay, now we are going to observe what are the important points in the formation of cylinder. See here, children, this is the length of the rectangle. Now this length of the rectangle become the what? Circumference of the circle. See here, this is the bottom of the cylinder. So what is its shape? This is circle in shape. Now this entire length of the rectangle, see, this is the length of the rectangle. After folding this into a cylinder, this length become what? Length of the circumference of the circle. Do you understand, children? This L become boundary of the circle. So this L become, that is the length of the rectangle become circumference of the circle. Okay, this is the top and bottom of the circle. Both the top and bottom are in the same measurement. Okay, now we are going to see the formula for CSA of cylinder. See here, children, in case of cube and cuboid, we termed it as a LSA. Here we are termed it as a CSA. CSA means curved surface area. Why we are termed as a curved surface area? Because this surface is in curve shape. So we are naming this area as a CSA of cylinder. So LSA, CSA, both are same. So CSA of cylinder is nothing but remaining portion except the top and the bottom. This portion area is said to be, that is the area of this rectangle is said to be a CSA of the cylinder. Do you understand, children? The CSA of cylinder is nothing but this portion only. This area only said to be CSA of cylinder. This is what? This is the area of rectangle. We know already what is the area of rectangle, length into breadth. So here we are writing as CAC of cylinder equal to area of corresponding rectangle. Here our measurement is length into breadth, but by seeing that the length of the rectangle become the circumference of the circle. Now only we have seen by folding this sheet into a cylinder, we get what? See, the length of the rectangle become circumference of the circle. So instead of here L, we are writing here 2 pi r. Why here we are writing 2 pi r? Because circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So the length of the rectangle become 2 pi r, because circumference of circle formula is 2 pi r. See here, by folding this paper, we get the cylinder. L become the circumference of circle. What happened to the breadth? The breadth became height of the cylinder. So this breadth became height of the cylinder. So instead of writing B, we are using the letter H for height of the cylinder. Now we get the formula 2 pi r into H, which is equal to 2 pi r H square units. So what is the formula for CAC of cylinder? CSA or LSA, both are same. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r H square units. Next children, we are going to derive the formula for TAC of cylinder. What is mean by TSA? Total surface area. Total surface area of cylinder, which is equal to. What is mean by total surface area? Along with the lateral surface area. Here we are term it as a curved surface area. Along with this curved surface area, if you add the area of the top and the bottom, you get total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Now only we have derived what is the CAC of cylinder. CAC of cylinder equal to 2 pi r H. This is the circumference of the circle. If you multiply the H with circumference of circle, you get CAC of cylinder. Okay, now only we have discussed. So along with this 2 pi r H, if you add the top area and bottom area, you get total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so what is the top of the cylinder? It is also a circle. What is the bottom of the cylinder? It is also a circle. What is the CAC of cylinder? 2 pi r H. So 2 pi r H is the CAC of cylinder. Pi r square, pi r square. These are the area of the top and bottom of the cylinder. Okay. If you add these three values, you get total surface area of the cylinder. See here, TAC of cylinder equal to CAC plus area of top region. So what is the area of top region? Area of top circular region. So area of the top. So what is the area of the top? It is a circle in shape. So its area is pi r square. Similarly, what is the area of the bottom? It is also a circle. So its area is also pi r square. So totally we have 2 pi r H plus pi r square plus pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square, what is its value? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r H. See here, what is the common factor? Here also 2, here also 2. Here pi, here pi. Here r square. So among these two r, we are taking only one common r outside. So take the common terms 2 pi r. If you take the 2 pi r, so what is the remaining term in the first term? H. So write that factor H plus what is the remaining factor in the second term? Only r. Because among the two r, we have taken one r commonly outside. So write the plus here and write 1 r here. So what is the TAC of cylinder? 2 pi r into H plus r square units. So what is the CAC of cylinder? 2 pi r H square units. Do you understand? Next we are going to see volume of cylinder. What is mean by volume? The amount of space occupied by this object. So this is the space occupied by this cylinder. This space is said to be volume of cylinder. So what is the general formula for volume? Volume is area of base into height. You already know volume of cuboid. What is its formula? Length into breadth into height. Here LB terms is area of its base of that cuboid. So what is the area of the base? Length into breadth. So L into B is nothing but area of it, the base of the cuboid. So here also we are writing a volume of cylinder equal to area of base of the cylinder into its height. What is the area of the base? Base and top are same. It is circle. So what is the area of base? Pi r square. What is the term for height? H. So pi r square into H, you get pi r square H cubic units. So what is the volume of cylinder? Area of base into height. This is the basic formula. So what is it? The shape of the base? Circle. In case of cuboid, the base shape is rectangle. So here we are writing L into B and height is H. So LBH cubic unit is volume of cuboid. Here what is the base of the cylinder? Circle. So what is its area? Pi r square. Its height is H. So pi r square into H, you get pi r square H cubic units. So far children, what we have discussed? CAC of cylinder, TAC of cylinder, volume of cylinder. So what is the formula for CAC of cylinder? 2 pi r H square units. What is the TAC of cylinder? 2 pi r into H plus r square units. What is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square H cubic units. I hope you understand all the concept discussed in this activity. Have you enjoyed the activity, children? I hope you understand all the concept we have discussed in the activity. Okay. Still we are seeing the chapter number 16, area and volume. In today's class we are going to discuss about only the cylinder. In this chapter we are going to discuss the type of cylinder is right circular cylinder. What is mean by right circular cylinder? See here children, this is the shape of the cylinder. The top and the bottom of the cylinder are in the shape of circle. Okay, circle means it has the center. So in top also we have one center. In bottom of the cylinder also we have one center. If you join the both the center by a line segment means the angle between the base radius and this line is 90 degree. That is right angle. That's why we are calling this type of cylinder as right circular cylinder. Wherever we are writing in this chapter cylinder means we have to understand it is a right circular cylinder. Okay. And also in case of cube and cuboid already we discussed LSA. You know what is mean by LSA? LSA means lateral surface area. Here we are, instead of using the term LSA, we are going to use the term CSA. What is mean by CSA? Curved surface area. That is, except the top and the bottom, this portion only. This portion area is said to be CSA. That is curved surface area. It is also termed as lateral surface area. Here the surface of the cylinder is in the shape of curve. So we are using the term CSA. That is curved surface area. So you have to understand both the LSA and the CSA are same only. Okay. So L means lateral surface area. CSA means curved surface area. And then TSA. TSA means total surface area. Along with this CSA, if you add the area of the top and area of the bottom, you get total surface area. Okay. Next we are going to see formula. These are the formulas you must remember about the cylinder. Still you have this formula in your higher secondary also. So listen the class carefully. CSA of right circular cylinder equal to 2 pi r h square units. 2 pi r h square units. So what is the formula for TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r into h plus r square units. How do you read this? Listen carefully. 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Here we have to use the term into. 2 pi r into h plus r square unit. This is the formula for TSA of cylinder. Next, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. See here, among these two formulas, here two have in the front. Here This 2 became the power of R. Okay. So keep this in your mind. So what is the CSA? 2 pi R H. What is the volume? Pi R square H. What is the total surface area? 2 pi R into H plus R. Okay. Also you have to remember area of circle equal to pi R square. Circumference of circle equal to 2 pi R units. And area of rectangle equal to L into B. While you are writing the area formula, you must use square units. For circumference and perimeter, you have to write only the units. Okay. In the calculation purpose, we are going to use the value pi. What is the value of the constant pi? The value of the pi is 22 by 7. Also, we may use the decimal value 3.14 for the value of pi. Okay. Also, you must remember, children, how do you write the units? Units means you have to write meter, centimeter, kilometer, like this. Square units means what you have to do, write meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square. That is, you have to square that units. How do you write the cubic units? Meter cube, centimeter cube, kilometer cube, millimeter cube. So in the power of the unit, you have to write the number 3 means it's termed as cubic units. In the power of the unit, you have to write the 2 means it is termed as square units. You simply write meter, centimeter, kilometer means these are units. These are square units. These are cubic units. Okay, do you understand, children? Next we are going to see the problems. Okay. Next we are going to see the problems, children. See this example sum. Find the volume CSA and TSA of a cylinder with base radius 3.5 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. Okay. So the given question is about the cylinder. We have to find out volume CSA, that is curved surface area, and TSA, total surface area of this cylinder. What are the given data? Radius of the cylinder, height of the cylinder. So what is the radius of the cylinder? While they are giving the data, they use the terms base radius. Okay, base radius, radius of the cylinder, both are same. Okay, so base radius equal to 3.5 centimeter, and what is the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder 8 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out CSA, TSA, and volume of the cylinder. Okay, already we know the formula. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. So what is the value of pi? Value of pi is 22 by 7 into, what is the value of r here? 3.5 centimeter. So you have to write 3.5 whole square into, what is the value of h? H equal to 8 centimeter. So you have to write into 8, and you have to write cubic units. So what is the unit here? Centimeter. So centimeter cube. So this is called cubic units. Okay. Next we are going to calculate this 22 by 7 into 3.5 whole square means 3.5 into 3.5 into 8. Okay. Next we are going to cancel this 3.5 by 7. See here. 3.5, now to divide 3.5 by 7. Now forget that point. Right here 0 point. So forget the point 35. So 35 comes in 7 how many times? 5 times. So 35. Answer is 0. If you cancel 3.5 by 7, you get 0.5. Okay. So 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 8. So we have to multiply these values. Before that, you have to judge. If you multiply this 0.5 with 8, you can easily remove this decimal point. So 0.5 into 8. 8 5s are 40. So after the decimal point, you have how many digit? 1 digit. So 4.0. So 22 into 0.5 into 8. What is your answer? 4. So 4 into 3.5. Do you understand, children? Next we are going to multiply 3.5 with 4. So 3.5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Remember 2 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. So after the decimal point we have only one digit. So 14.0. So 4 into 3.4, 22 into 14. Next you have to multiply this 14 by 22. 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is 2, 0. 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is 2. So your answer is 8 plus 2, 10, remainder 1, 3. So your answer is 308 centimeter cube. Definitely I have to write the units here. Here volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. Thus we have found out 308 centimeter cube. Okay. Next we are going to find out CAC of cylinder. What is the formula for CAC of cylinder? 2 pi r h. Here 2 into pi value of pi is 22 by 7. What is the value of r? 3.5 in this problem into what is the value of h? 8. Square units. Here you have to square that units. What is the unit here? Centimeter. So centimeter square. Okay. Now we are going to cancel this 3.5 by 7. 1 time 0.5 time. Do you understand, children? So what are the remaining values? 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 8. Now I am going to commit these two values. 0.5 into 2. If you multiply 0.5 by 2, 5 2s are 10. After the decimal point you have one digit, only one digit. So after that one digit you have to put 1 point. So 1.0. 1.0 can be written as 1. 2.0 can be written as 2. 8.0 can be written as 8. Okay. So 2 into 0.5, your answer is 1 into 22 into 8. So 1 into 22, 22 into 8. 8 2s are 16. Remember 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. So 176 centimeter square. Thus we have found out TAC of cylinder equal to 176 centimeter square. Next we are going to find out TAC of cylinder. What is the formula for TAC of cylinder? 2 pi r into h plus r square units. 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So substitute the value 2 into what is the value of pi? 32 by 7 into what is the value of r? 3.5. What is the value of h? 8 plus value of r is 3.5 centimeter square. Next we are going to cancel. Cancel the 3.5 by 7. So 0.5. If you multiply 0.5 with 2, here 1. So 1 into 32. 8 plus 3.5. How do you add the 8 plus 3.5? See here 8. You can rewrite the 8 as 8.0. And then 3.5. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 3, 11. So your answer is 11.5 here. So 11.5. 1 into 22. 22 into 11.5. So you have to multiply 11.5 by 22. Forget this decimal point. Okay. 5 2s are 10. Remember 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. You have to write this like this. 5 2s are 10. Remember 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Again 1 2 is 2. Again you get the same value again. So rewrite this. So 2 plus 3, 5, 2. Here after the decimal point we have only one digit. So put the decimal point after your one digit. So what is the answer? 253. So you have to write 253 centimeter square. Thus we have found out volume of cylinder equal to 308 centimeter cube. CAC of cylinder equal to 176 centimeter square and TAC of cylinder equal to 253 centimeter square. See another example, children. Example 2. A cylindrical drum has a height of 20 centimeter and base radius of 14 centimeter. Find its CSA and TSA. What is meant by CSA? Curved surface area. TSA, total surface area. So what is the shape of the object given here, cylindrical drum. So this problem is about the cylinder. So what is the radius of the cylinder? Base radius is 14 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder? 20 centimeters. So in case of given, here you have to write in the solution part. What are the given data? Height h equal to 20 centimeter. Radius r equal to 14 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find CSA and PSA. You know already formula CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h square units and PSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So first you have to write down the formula. Next we are going to substitute the value 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the value of r? 14 centimeter and what is the value of h? 20 centimeter. Now we are going to cancel the 14 by 7. So 1 time, 2 times. So what are the values? 2 into 22 into 2 into 20. Okay. So 2 into 22, 44 into 2 into 20. 44 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 into 20. Okay. So 8 2s are, forget the 0. 8 2s are 16, remainder 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now add this 0. So what is the answer? 1760. Here they have given square units. Here our unit is centimeter. You have to square that unit. What is the unit given? Centimeter. So you have to square that unit. So what is the CSA? CSA of cylinder equal to 1760 centimeters square. Okay. Next we are going to find out TSA of cylinder. What is the formula for TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So substitute the values. 2 into what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the value of r? 14. Into here, what is the value of h? H value is 20 plus what is the value of r? 14 centimeter square. Thus we can substitute the value. Next we are going to evaluate. Cancel the 14 by 7 2 times. So 2 into 22 into 2 within the bracket 20 plus 14 34. Okay. So what is the operation between this 34 and these values? Yes, multiplication. Here the operation is multiplication. 22 into 2, 44 into 2 into 34. 44 into 2, 88 into 34. If you multiply that in the rougher column, you have to multiply 88 by 34. You get the answer 2992. Already I have multiplied this. 2992 centimeters square. Thus, TSA of cylinder equal to 2992 centimeters square. Next we are going to see another example sum. Example 3. The CSA of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the cylinder. Once again read the question, children. In this example, what are the given data? The CSA of a right circular cylinder. It means they are giving CSA, curved surface area of this cylinder is 88 centimeter square. You have to join these two terms. Okay. So the CSA of right circular cylinder of height. What is the height of the cylinder? 14 centimeter. Is 88 centimeter square. Don't take the value of CSA of cylinder as 14 centimeter. Here they have given centimeter square. This is the CSA. So CSA of right circular cylinder is 88 centimeter square. Height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. What we have to find? Find the diameter of the cylinder. We have to find the diameter of the cylinder. Here you have to write the given data. CSA of cylinder equal to 88 centimeter square. What is the height of the cylinder? 14 centimeter. So you have to write 14 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the diameter of the cylinder. How do you get the diameter of the cylinder? Look at the board. This is the cylinder. The top and the bottom of the cylinder are nothing but the circle. So circle means definitely has the center and the radius. This is the radius. How do you get the diameter of the circle? By joining the opposite side of the radius, you get the diameter. So what is the diameter? It is the line segment. It must passes to the center of the circle. It both the ends lies on the boundary of the circle. This line is said to be diameter of the circle. What is the letter we are using to represent the diameter of the circle? Yes, small letter D. What is the relation between the diameter and the radius? Diameter equal to 2r. That is 2 times of radius give diameter. Do you understand, children? So in this question we are going to find the diameter of the cylinder. It means we have to find the value of 2r. Do you understand? It's clear? So what is the formula for CAC of cylinder? 2 pi r h square root. But in the question itself, they are given the value 88 centimeter square. That is CAC equal to 88 centimeter square. We know the formula 2 pi r h equal to 88. We are going to equal the given values. Because in the question itself, they are given 88 centimeter square as a CAC of cylinder. So in order to find the diameter of the circle, we are going to equal these two values. So 2 pi r h equal to 88. Now we are going to substitute the value of pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the value of r in the question? They did not give the value of r. So write the r as this. What is the value of h? 14 centimeter. So write here 14, which is equal to 88. Do you understand? Now we are going to cancel this 14 by 7. So 1 times, 2 times. So what are the remaining values? 2 into 22 into r into 2 equal to 88. We have to find the value of diameter. Diameter equal to 2 times r. So if you keep this r under 2 in the LHS and transpose the remaining values into the RHS, that is right hand side. So bring this 2 and 22 to right hand side. So r into 2 equal to 88 divided by 2 into 22. What happened if you transpose these two elements into that RHS? The multiplication became division. So cancel this 88 by 2 1 time, 4 times, 4 times. So rewrite this r into 2 as 2r. Both are same. So 2r equal to 44 by 22. Cancel the 44 by 22. 122 is 22. 2 22s are 44. So 2r equal to 2. What is the unit they are given? Centimeter. So here you have to write centimeter. So how do you write the 2r? As a d. So diameter d equal to 2 centimeter. Thus we have found out diameter of the cylinder as 2 centimeter. I hope you understand all the concepts discussed today. Try to remember all the formulas we have discussed about cylinder. Okay, thank you children.